Hello, my name is JD, a computer engineer at Train Control Systems. Thank you for watching this video on the WOWSound decoder. In this video, I will be discussing how to program the WOWSound decoder using CVs. If you haven't already, please watch the video on Audio Assist to discover how you can easily program the WOWSound decoder without using CVs. All sound programming, including the programming available in Audio Assist, can be done using 4 indexed CVs. Those 4 CVs are CV 201, 202, 203, and 204. CVs for programming non-sound functionality, such as the address, motor, or light features, are the same as our standard mobile decoder line. For more information on non-sound CVs, look at the comprehensive programming guide available under the literature section of the TCS website. Now I will explain how indexed CVs work. CV201 is the main identifier. What value you put into CV201 determines what the other 3 CVs mean. For example, if you put a value of 1 into CV201 for remapping sounds to buttons, then CV202 defines what button you want. Then CVs 203 and 204 determine what sound number you want. If you put a value of 3 into CV201 to adjust the chuff timing at a particular speed step, then CV202 is used for what speed step you want to adjust, and CVs 203 and 204 are the coarse and fine timing adjustments. Once you decide what kind of programming you want to do, enter that value into CV201. Then, based on your CV201 selection, program CV202, then 203, then 204. The actual programming operation takes place when CV204 is written, so make sure to program the CVs sequentially. If you don't, you may program something that you didn't mean to. Also note that the decoder remembers the values you put into the 4 index CVs, so once you set up the identifier in CV201, you don't need to do it again until you choose to do a different type of programming. Reading CVs works in the same way. To read a CV, add a value of 100 to the value corresponding to its write value. For example, if you want to read the sound number mapped to button 2, then take the identifier used to write a sound to a button, which is a value of 1, and add 100 to it for a read identifier of 101, then put a value of 101 into the identifier CV201. Then put the button you want to read into CV202, which in this case would be a value of 2 for button 2. Since read and write operations take place when CV204 is written to, you will need to write a value to CV204. This is considered a don't care and it can be any value. Once you write to CV204, the decoder will read its memory and load CVs 203 and 204 with the sound number assigned to button 2, and you can then read it using a program track read of CVs 203 and 204. This method may be a bit different from what you're used to, but it gives you access to thousands of new CVs, making it easy for you to totally customize your locomotive. Thank you for watching this clip on programming the WOWSound decoder line using index CVs 201, 202, 203, and 204. Be sure to check out our website for more videos and information about the WOWSound decoder line from TCS. Also, make sure you sign up for our email listing so you can get the latest information on TCS products, updates, and recording trips. Thank you.